In love, as in politics, power decides who stays in control, and according to Machiavelli, a woman will only truly love the man who dares to break her, not in the cruel way you might think, but in a way that shatters her resistance, challenges her pride, and wins her respect. Today, we're diving deep into Machiavellian psychology and relationship dynamics to uncover why women are drawn to men who dare to disrupt their emotional defenses, and how you can do this without manipulation or malice. On who was Machiavelli and why his ideas apply to relationships. Niccolo Machiavelli was a 16th century political strategist famous for The Prince. He studied human behavior, power, and influence, not just politics, but how people are drawn to leaders. His philosophy: people respect strength more than kindness when it comes to authority and attraction. In relationships, these same rules apply, especially with women who are independent, guarded, or have high emotional walls. 2. What breaking her really means. Not physical harm, abuse, or cruelty. It's about shattering her illusions and breaking her emotional defenses. Many women test men to see if they can handle their strong side. Breaking her means breaking her expectations that all men will act the same, breaking her pride when it becomes a wall against intimacy, breaking her emotional guard by showing power with purpose. Three Machiavelli's core principles applied to attraction. Principle 1, appear strong at all times. Machiavelli: it is better to be feared than loved if you cannot be both. In relationships, feared means respected. She must know you won't tolerate disrespect. Principle 2, control the frame. Never let her dictate the tone of the relationship. A man who sets the emotional pace keeps her intrigued and drawn in. Principle 3, keep an element of mystery. Don't give away every detail about yourself. Mystery keeps attraction alive. Familiarity kills passion. 4, how to break her emotional guard. Challenge her thinking. Don't just agree with her opinions to keep peace. Politely but firmly disagree when needed. She respects men who stand their ground. Walk away when necessary. If she tests you, don't chase or beg. Distance increases value. Be unpredictable. Break routine. Surprise her emotionally, intellectually, or through experiences. Control your emotions. Machiavelli believed showing too much emotion gives others control over you. Stay composed, even when she tries to provoke you. 5, the psychological effect on women. Breaking her emotional guard triggers vulnerability, and vulnerability builds deep emotional bonds. She begins to respect your authority, trust your leadership, and crave your presence. This doesn't create fear in a toxic sense. It creates a thrilling tension that fuels attraction. 6, warnings and ethical use. Never misuse this to manipulate or harm. The goal is mutual respect and passion, not dominance through fear. If done with good intentions, breaking her is about awakening her emotions, not controlling her life. The strongest love is born when two people test each other's limits and still choose each other. If you take one thing from Machiavelli, let it be this: never be afraid to challenge a woman you love, because in that challenge, real passion is born. If you found this eye-opening, subscribe for more deep psychology and attraction strategies.